Hi and welcome to my channel, The Dopamine Artist. My name is Charlotte and I am out on a one-woman mission to show people how important art and design are for our mental health and well-being. I felt really inspired to put this channel together because I've become really aware of how much pressure we put on ourselves to lead these perfect lives, to be social media perfect, Instagram ready all the time. And we're constantly comparing ourselves to other people and having these really unrealistic goals for our life, and it just makes us all feel really rubbish. I came up with the idea of calling this channel The Dopamine Artist because dopamine is that feel-good chemical that our body releases when something really good happens to us. And I think that art and design really do release that dopamine chemical inside all of us when we take part in something creative. And I'm passionate about showing people how you can really improve your mental health and just feel so much better by creating something yourself. And it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, there is perfection in the imperfect. I'm all about just having a go, seeing what happens, and going away with something that you perceive to be beautiful. Don't worry about what other people think. It's not about what other people think. It's how you perceive what you've made. I'm going to be posting on this channel every day for one whole year. And the reason I'm doing this is because I really want to get this message out there. I really want to share the positivity that being creative can have on how we feel about ourselves. So I'm going to be covering upcycling tutorials, I'm going to be covering crafting tutorials, I'm going to be getting other people in to Skillshare so we can learn and we can build on our knowledge as well around creativity and art and design. So if you'd like to be part of this creative journey with me, please subscribe to my channel, please like my videos, and it just means I can spread my message far and wide to as many people as possible. So I will see you very soon with the next video. Take care. Bye.